If you don't like fearless animals but still love wild adventures, then you need to know about honey badgers. Meet the honey badger, nature's tiny terminator. This little critter laughs in the face of danger. They take on lions, snakes, and even bees, all without breaking a sweat. Their thick skin is like armor, making them nearly immune to bites and stings. And get this, they can turn around inside their own skin to fight off attackers. Talk about flexibility. Honey badgers also have a secret weapon. Their powerful jaws can crush through tortoise shells. They're the ultimate survivalists, always finding a way to outwit and outfight their enemies. So next time you think life's tough, just remember, honey badgers don't care, and neither should you. Stay fearless, folks.